How's it going, guys? So, a lot of us, pretty much all of us, are wearing these things nowadays, and we have been for a while. And we have trouble unlocking these things with it with our face scanning, right? And we're kind of tired of putting our PIN numbers in and all that. Like when I go to the grocery store, I have a list on my phone of things I need to get, and I always constantly am putting in my PIN number. It's a pain in the butt. So, I found a way to get a mask, and it seems to work with the black masks only. So I'm going to show you how you can actually scan your face and unlock your phone without punching in your PIN all the time. First off, if you're new here and you want more news, reviews, and how-tos for your phone, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss anything. We're going to go in and we're going to go into our settings, and you're going to scroll down and you're going to see the Face ID and passcode, and we're going to put our passcode in here. And then next, what we're going to do is you're going to see set up an alternate appearance, and what we're going to do is we are going to hit that, and we're going to put this guy on pretty much like this. Let's put it around our ear here, and then I will hold it like such, pretty much like this. Now we're going to go in and we're going to get started, and we're going to hold it. It's just in our face. There we go. Continue. Go around this way. There we go. So it's complete. Alright, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to put this on. Now I got the mask on. We're going to see if this actually works. Ah, there you go. It unlocked. Holy crap, it actually worked. Let's try it one more time. Phone is locked, as you can see. And it unlocked. How about that? Ha! So it seems to only work with the black mask. I have tried the paper masks and things, but hey, it is what it is. If that's something you want to try to do, you might struggle here and there with readjusting your mask and such, but the more you mess with it, the more the phone learns the Face ID scan, and it becomes easier. So hopefully when you guys are going out and you need to unlock your phone, it makes things a little easier. I left a playlist right here for you guys to watch some more videos, and if you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell where you're at it. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.